This is called chicken enchilada. I hadn't made it in a long time, but I'll leave a description how to make it. I always like a salad with my chicken enchiladas because I like to have vegetables, which chicken enchiladas doesn't have much vegetables. Hi y'all, today I'm making chicken enchiladas. Anyway, it's one stick of butter, brown about six chicken breast, and then what's melting right now is one of the cream cheese. Pinch it up and put it in there, and put a lid on it because it'll melt faster. And don't put no seasoning because with the butter and all, it's got enough salt. And let that melt. After it melts, you're going to add a can of Rotel. This is original. I prefer hot, but anyway, they didn't have it. And then I'm going to add, I already sauteed my onion. This is one medium onion. Then, when all this is mixed up, I'll show you what it looks like. You're going to use these extra large flour tortillas. Any brand you prefer. I like that brand. This is the brand I use. And then I'll show you the secret ingredients. While that's melting, the cream cheese is melting into all that. I'll put a link. I'll put a description to this. You want to preheat your oven to 350, and we'll show you what you do with that next. I sprayed this 13 by 9 pan's what I'm going to use. It's a glass pan. You can use whatever. Now that our cream cheese is melted, I'm adding a can of Rotel. And of course my onions. Of course you want to saute them first. And then we're going to stir this up. And this is so good together. So it only takes one can of Rotel. I don't know why I was thinking 2, but it's only 1. Okay. I'll be right back to show you the next prep. Okay, it's all melted, so now the next step is to get one of these. You're going to put it in here. And let me move my bowl that I put my spoon in. Okay, and you're going to take a spoon of this, put in the tortilla. You want a good helping. You want to stuff it pretty good. Then you're going to roll it up. And it's going to look like that. Put your stuffing in, you roll it up. I fold mine in on the ends so nothing gets out of there. This is not it though. There's more to it. So hang on to that. Let me get all these rolled up, and then I'll show you the final. I put 2 of these heapings of spoons on it. This size spoon. That. And then I fold the ends in. I don't have my tripod over here. And I want them to meet. And then I'm going to fold this one over and roll it up. There you have it. You'll place that in your pan. Now, I did that one-handed, so this one didn't turn out so good. But anyway, you get the gist. And you just fit them together. It doesn't matter. Now, I got room down the side, so I'm going to put some there. You can make them longer and skinnier if you want. This is just how I'm doing it. I can get at least 2 more in there. Hang on before I finish this part. Next step is to put this whole thing of, see, it's 8 ounces of cheese on there, and I got more cheese if I think I need it. So I'm going to put this whole thing on top. But that's not it, y'all. Okay, this is what it looks like with cheese on it. Now the secret ingredients. Whipped cream. Yeah, you pour the whipped cream last on top. So let me do that. You need at least a pint. I have a bigger one here. So if I use more than half, well, this is because I like it. Okay, I put it in my measuring cup. It's 2 cups of whipping cream. Liquid whipping cream. I'm pouring it over it. Go slow so you don't push your cheese off. Oh my God, this is so good. Anybody on a diet? Hope not. You want to get that really wet. Okay. So that's how much you're supposed to use. 2 cups. Now it goes in the oven. I might put a little bit more cheese on there. Hang on. I like the mix of Colby and Monterey Jack. Okay, so here's what it looks like before it goes in the oven. The whipped cream's down in there. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven. And I forgot, I'm doing this from memory. Put it in the oven. I'm going to start with 30 minutes to see. It's only got to really brown. The cheese has got to melt, I mean. So I'm going to time it. Let's check on it. Ooh, that's looking brown. I'm going to leave it in there a little bit longer till it gets a couple little dark spots on the cheese. And that's been 20 minutes so far at 350 degrees. But this is not a convection oven. It's just a gas oven. I don't think it's convection. No, it's not. It's just a older stove. And it's a Whirlpool. This stove, I don't know how old it is. It's pretty old, probably. Turn that noise off. Okay. I'm going to take it out and plate it. Take it to my husband. I got to make a salad. Check it again. Now, you see how it's golden brown? I'll get it out where you can see it. Okay. This is what it looks like. 25 minutes in the oven. Preheated. Oh, y'all, it is bubbling. I don't know if I can get the bubbles. See it bubbling? Oh, the smell. Oh, my gosh. And I'm going to put a salad with it. I'm going to plate this. Show you what it looks like. Take it to my husband. When you put it on your plate, there's a lot of juice in there. That juice is very good. You need a ladle. I'm going to use a ladle. And you want to drizzle this over the top. See how I do that? Yummy. And take you over here. And here's the salad. Timer just went off while I was doing all this, but it took 25 minutes. I'm going to go serve my husband. Hope you enjoyed my video. This is chicken enchiladas. And I'll put the recipe in there how to make this. Bye, y'all.